Fix Pro Mobile 3-star small fold for you, the 4th generation. This follies. This is an implosion. Open it for everyone to take a look at, and it's gone after a flash. It's completely dark. This customer is far away from Central Africa. What is the name of the country? Then let me fix it here. What about below? Let me show you how the maintenance process works. How about changing this to the big screen in front? You don't need to dismantle that much, just dismantle this underside. It doesn't need to be removed. Let's take a look at the entire maintenance process. Okay, let's take it apart from here. This back cover has been heated. Let's take a look at his model number. The model is SM-F7211. This is the 7211 National Bank version, which is 7210. Only the foreign version is 7211. So this is the overseas version. After the back cover is removed, screw off these screws. Seriously, after this phone is heated up, it sent out a wave of foreigners and black people. A strong smell is coming. But they said they couldn't smell it. On the contrary, it is on us Chinese. Some have taste. I don't know if it's true. Okay, button off this cushion first. Is that the first step? And then, this is the wireless charging module. Nothing particular. What about after the back is dismantled? The rest is to add the front screen. If you add it, just remove it. Now heat up. This screen heats waxy because of its temperature anyway. The inner screen is broken. What if the temperature is not enough? This screen pressurization cannot be removed. If you break it, you have to pay 100 yuan. This pressure flows in. Foreigners will still doubt your technical problems. Serious words will also affect international public security. Help repair this phone only then. Did I know what happened to the Central African countries? It turns out that the mother citation is a legal citation. It's already taken down. On this screen, it is necessary to combine and disassemble heat and add alcohol and then remove. It's already down. This is his bad taste. What about below? Just install a new screen for this screen. Start loading the screen. Okay, turn it on and take a look. Is the screen on? Come and have a look. Show. Does it show leverage? And this is in French. I still don't understand. Just a foreigner anyway. Show him again. And then what about the following little details? Deal with this again.